Hello, everyone, and welcome to Beyond the Pop. This is AMC's monthly news and tip session for all of our customers to make sure you're getting the most from DaVinci and all things AMC. Today, we're going to take a quick sneak peek into a new UI coming out. We get to meet Chad, our new VP of Customer Success, and then Eric is going to walk through some exciting demos to close us off. Let's take a quick look at the agenda. When we're through with this, I'll do a brief intro to the team that we have on today. We'll walk through a quick announcement coming up. I'll show you all the DaVinci latest product releases that we have released since the last session that we had. Then I'm going to turn it over to Susanna, who will walk us through the new release notes page on the AMC website, give a few customer success updates, and then you all will get to meet Chad. And then to close us off, Eric is going to do two demos, one on how to use Power Apps and one on a new way that you can configure in Creator Studio. So my name is Mariah. I've been here at AMC for over 7 years working in marketing, and I'm happy to actually get a chance to talk to the customers because usually I'm behind the scenes.
All right, I'm Susanna Pinch. I'm one of the customer success managers here at AMC Technology, and I have been here for 13 plus years.
Hello, my name is Eric Nyman. I am a software engineer here at AMC, and I've been here for 3 years.
So the only announcement that we have this month is the next Beyond the Pop session, which is taking place April 22nd at 11 a.m. It's another Tuesday. You can register today by navigating to the latest news and upcoming events page on the AMC website. And I've highlighted right there with the information, and you just click that sign up link. I'll also be sending out a few emails with the link if you want to sign up. And please sign up. Quickly walking through the latest releases. The first thing we've done is a few updates to backend cloud infrastructure. You can see we've done that for Oracle CX Sales, Amazon Connect, and Genesis. We've done enablement for cloud logging for Genesis Cloud as well. We've done a few call data updates in Dynamics, and we've also done multi-system support in Dynamics. The last one we will be demoing at the end. It's going to be around streamlining agent configuration in Creator Studio. If you'd like more information, feel free to contact our technical product manager, Raj. He can give you a lot more information on what we've been doing here. Or of course, you can always get in touch with your customer success manager, and they can get you in touch with the right people to give you the right information that you need. The last thing that I'm going to talk about today, this is a sneak peek into a new UI that we have been working on behind the scenes for a while now. We wanted to give our UI a modern spin, make it sleeker, make it pop more with some colors. We've done a lot of work talking to customers and getting their feedback on what they'd like to see, what would help their agents work quicker, better. And so this is kind of the mock-up that we've come up with. I don't want anyone to panic yet. We're going to be just starting development on this in Q2, and so we will be rolling out information to you all before anything changes. So you'll be well aware of when these changes will be coming your way. So we're really excited about that. Just just keep in mind that that information will be coming your way. And with that, I'm going to pass it over to Susanna.
All right, thanks, Mariah. Hey, everyone. We wanted to introduce you to our release notes page as we're making updates all the time for our DaVinci UI customers, bringing in new features, improvements, and fixes. One of the great things about being a DaVinci UI customer is that you get updates sent over to you automatically. So if you're curious about what's being pushed out or updated, you can actually go to our release notes page on our website. There are actually 3 different ways to access the page, which Mariah is showing us right now. If you go to amctechnology.com and scroll down to the bottom of the home page, you can click the link there. Or you can just directly type in amctechnology.com/release-notes, and it takes you right to the page. The third way, of course, we're making it easy for everyone. Every time we plan updates, the CSMs, Kelly and I send out updates to everyone, letting you know of the changes that we're making. And we include a link in our emails, so it's there for you as well. And now that we're on the page, you can see actually we have an update coming this Friday, April 1st. It's a change for the DaVinci app for Microsoft Dynamics. And you can see the details of the changes that we're making. And we also even recommend a customer action for you all to test on your side as well. The great thing actually about having this here is that we've got one central location where you can see all the different app changes that we're making. And like I had mentioned before, the recommendations that we make are listed here as well. And speaking of DaVinci UI, a lot of you actually aren't on that yet. You're still using our classic UI. So let's show you some of the exciting new things and the benefits that you can get that you might be missing out on right now. So the first one we have is live presence, which gives agents the ability to see what other agents and supervisors are doing or if they're available. Speed dial provides a preset number of buttons that agents can press for transfers, and data transformation allows you to format the CAD data before it goes to the CRM. Targeted dial allows for enhancements for existing operations like click to dial, and custom apps, you can build those as well on your own. Login reporting is great actually because admins can log into our Creator Studio and get reporting there. And then we've got our multi-profile selection. Sorry about that, I skipped. We have our multi-profile selection, which gives agents the ability to choose their profile upon login. That's great for users that might log in for to a production environment versus a test environment. We also have quick create comments, which agents can use that are like a pre-canned statement for things that they might enter in frequently. And then for login reporting, supervisors can log into Creator Studio to see when agents are logging in. Thanks so much, everybody. I wanted to introduce Chad Friedline. He's our new VP of Customer Success.
Thanks, Susanna. Excited to be here and to have an opportunity to introduce myself a little bit more. I recently joined AMC about 6 weeks ago as the new VP for Customer Success. My background, I had spent about 25 years working in education technology before that in a variety of roles from operations to account management to sales and to customer success. So have a pretty diversified background, and I really viewed having this opportunity to join AMC as an exciting chance to be able to apply a lot of my expertise from earlier in my career with the company. So I'm excited to be able to be here. I'm looking forward to the opportunity to be able to meet many of our clients over the coming months. And just really, looking forward to the chance to kind of dig in and be able to understand what we can do to help all of you more and to be able to help you along your path as you're trying to figure out your strategies for the future. So, Eric, I will turn it back over to you.
Sure thing. I have got a couple cool things to demo for you guys today. I will share my screen. To start, the first thing I'm going to demonstrate to you today is the new migration of previous premise configuration to Creator Studio in the cloud. So previously, there were two portions of the agent configuration that you had to do in the premise admin tool, as I'm displaying here. Those were the server profile or the CRM profile, which, as you can see, has many portions here, as well as the agent configuration. So if I select an agent here, you can also see there's the agent configuration, such as the CTID extension, etc. These have now been moved so that if you would like to, you can, if I select the correct profile, you can now actually manage all of them in the cloud. As you can see, all of those tabs under the CRM profile have been moved to the config. And then all of the agent configurations have been moved. Oh, this is the wrong profile. Okay, I'm going to go back to the start of this profile, Mariah. Sorry.
No worries.
Now, as you can see here, inside of Creator Studio, my DaVinci app for premise, which is interchangeable with DaVinci app for Aspect, Avaya, or Cisco. The configuration for the CRM profile has been moved under the different nodes under the configuration. And then under user configuration, you have here, which are custom user attributes. These are currently being leveraged for the said agent configurations. What you see right here on the profile are the default values. And if I go to my user, you can see I can actually assign specific values for my user here. Previously, you had to do all of this in the admin tool, but then you also had to come back over here to configure your profile in a hybrid scenario in Creator Studio. Now you can do all of it in Creator Studio. So the only time you have to configure anything in the DaVinci Premise Admin tool is the initial server configuration. After that, everything can be done in the cloud from one place. Next, I'm going to show you an example of our Microsoft Power Apps or a Power Automate flow. First, you'll notice here I have an agent in Salesforce. If I click into the dial bar, you can see the presences of a couple other users. I have my other user as well as another developer's user here, and I can see their presences and also what profiles are. This is, as Susanna mentioned earlier, our live presence functionality. Now, if I go ready, I'll receive a call. And when I answer this call, after the screen pop, I will have what pops up to be a Microsoft Power App. This Power App is a very simple explanation. It doesn't actually do anything specific. It's just checking to see if I enter a specific PIN, in which case I do. I hit verify, and it shows that's verified. This is simulating if you had some kind of backend functionality hosted in a Power App or a Microsoft Power Automate flow in order to, say, verify a user's PIN, the last 4 digits of a social or something with an agent to make sure that you are talking to the correct individual before giving out private information. The benefit of this is because it's hosted in a Power App, it is actually completely isolated from the DaVinci soft phone. So none of this information touches the soft phone. It is all inside the Power App. To show you said Power App, here is the Power App. It is very simple. All it does is when you hit the verify button, it takes the information entered in the PIN and sends it to a Power Automate flow. The flow here is very simple. It's just doing a small check to see if it is matching the PIN. As you can see, very simple. However, in terms of possibilities, they're limitless. There are many plugins you can use, and you can even write your own custom logic as well in order to determine the correct responses based off of what information is happening. You might ask, how do you trigger this? Well, that is through the DaVinci Interceptor API that can raise events based off of when you end a call, answer a call, or when a call is connected. In my case, I'm doing it off the call connected event. So when I answer a call and get a call connected, it triggers my Power App. Effectively, you can trigger any kind of REST request with the DaVinci Interceptor API. For this example, we're just using a Microsoft Power App. And that is it for this demonstration. Thank you.